let's begin with this one. Okay, so this one is the full view of the motherboard. Let's start with the center. Almost at the center, the biggest part is the CPU socket. So, CPU socket, dyan nakalagay yung CPU, syempre. Yung CPU, tinanggal natin. Tapit ko muna. Wait. That is the CPU socket. Now this is the heatsink for the fan. Nakalagay siya sa top. Diyan siya nakalagay. And then this one, yung mga holes, syempre, lagay ng screw ng fan. Yun, nasa gitna. Ayan yung heatsink na. Okay. Now, next is, unahin natin yung back panel, yung I/O controllers. This one is the for audio, and this is for LAN port. This is for USB 2.0, and this is the parallel port, and then the serial port, itong dalawa. And this one is the last one in this back panel is what is this thing? This is for keyboard and for mouse. Itong yan, tawag dyan is PS2. So now, let's move to eto. This one is the for ATEX pin, and kapartner na is itong 24 pin connector. 24. Ayan yung power connector silang dalawa. Power connectors. And then the other, itong lagay ng battery, that's CHMOS. Yeah, whatever. And these two, ito, supposedly nandito yung video card, ito yung AGP pa tawag dun, GPA, and then graphical, pero kasama na siya ng PSI. Ito, PSI Express. Ito, jumper. This is the super. Hindi mo ito yung southbound. This is SATA connector. Nasa harapan is yung USB. And then, hindi pa to. Harap natin. So, this one is your RAM. And yung pinaglalagyan ng RAM is yung memory slot or tinatawag na TC, whatever. Tapos, ayan na. Okay na yun.